I've got a whole pile of boards here, which you would have seen in my recent videos where I scrapped phones. These boards have all got nice gold on them. And today I'm going to be removing the green solder mask to see if any, if not all of these are fully gold plated under the mask. They may be, they may not, I don't know. That's what we're going to find out. So we want to have a look and see how it's done. Keep watching. Okay guys, I'm pretty sure that most of you have been waiting for this video, and I know I have. So all those phones that I scrapped out and got the boards, I'm ready to take the mask off and see what's underneath. This one here, I've got a lot of these boards. They're all in their different stacks. I don't know how well it's showing up on the computer, on the camera, but there's tiny little gold specks everywhere. And I can't imagine that they would bother putting tiny little dots. I think it'd just gold plate the whole thing. So unfortunately they're the worst of the lot, and there's a lot of them. But these ones are pretty good. These ones are really good. These ones aren't too bad. I like these ones here. And this one. Just one of those. And only one of these. It's got nice gold on it. A lot of gold on the back. So, I'm going to take the mask off and see if they're fully plated. I've put them in their piles because if I do this one here, for instance, and it's not fully gold plated, there's no point in me doing all of them. I'll just put them in AP. And the same with any of the other ones. If one of them, say that there's 4 or 5 there, if they're not fully plated, after I do one, there's no point in me doing the rest. I've got my AP running here. It's full at the moment, so any of these that aren't gold plated all over will just go in my next batch. So we're gonna get into it now and so have a look. I've got a large enough dish here that should take the boards. I've got a toothbrush to scrub off the mask, and sodium hydroxide grain blaster. You need this sodium hydroxide, or other words, another name for it is lye, and another name for it is caustic soda. So we're going to put probably, I don't know, 4 or 5 spoons in there. You don't really need a lot, but of course if you want it to work faster, and because I've got a lot of boards to do, I don't want to use up the strength of it too quickly, so I'm going to put, I'll say 5 spoonfuls. I can always add more if I need to. And then some water, dissolve it in the water, put it on the heat and get it hot, because it works better when it's hot. And I'll just put one board in at a time, let it soak and cook, and it should come off nice and easy. So I'll get it started and show you the rest. It's been on the heat now for about 5 minutes, and I've brushed it with the toothbrush, and as you can see, it's not, if I can get the sunlight, it's not fully gold plated. So this one there's not much point in worrying about doing. These ones can go in AP. So we'll try another one. Okay, I hope it's not too dark in here. I hope you can see. So pick up the board and give it a scrub, and look at that, it just comes straight off. I'll show you in a sec. Again, we'll go out in the sunlight. It's not fully plated, it's copper underneath. So there's two types now that are going to go in AP. I know I could finish off the mask while I've had it all soaking, but there's really no point. So that was those ones, and these ones. These two so far are no good. So we'll try this one. These gloves are great, but they're not flexible like silicone gloves. It makes it awkward to pick things up, but they're really good for the heat and for the acid. Alright, so we'll let this cook. Now, hopefully one of these is going to be fully gold plated. Not looking good so far. I don't need to do the whole board at this stage, just enough to see if it's fully plated. And it's not. There's a nice piece in the corner there, that's about all, the rest of it's just dots. So another one that's no good. Not looking good, eh? Alright, so I might as well just put that on that pile because they're all going to go anyway in AP, and we'll try this one. I'm going to top some water up in here because it's evaporating pretty fast, so I'll put some more water in there. Okay, let's try again. I really do hope I at least get one kind of board that's going to be fully plated out of this. It's not looking like it will. See, this green just comes off so easy. Not sure how well you can see that, but take it out in the light. It's hard for me to get around at the moment because I've got a moon boot on. As you can see, copper underneath. It's not fully plated. So it's another one. I'm just going to keep trying one until I get them all done. And then I'll let you know at the end if I either find any that are solid gold or whether they're no good. No doubt someone's going to comment and say, why don't I continue taking the mask off? Because it will help when it goes in AP. Yes, you're right, and I could. But the whole idea of AP is set and forget. Just put it in there, walk away, come back a couple of months later. And the time it takes, there's a pile's already starting to mount up. The time it takes to do all those, I could be putting the energy and time into another video for you guys, instead of wasting time doing that, which, yes, it'll help, but it doesn't really need to be done in order for the gold to come off in AP. So I think I'm better off putting my time and effort into something that is worth doing. So I've tried one of these ones now, and then I've got those two there, and it's not looking good. I don't think that they're going to be gold plated all over. However, I do have a whole pile of mouse pads from laptops, and I know that they're fully gold plated, or most of them are anyway. So, like I said, I'll come back at the end of doing these three and see if there's anything good, and if they're not, what I'll do is I'll call it part 1 for this video, and I'll come back part 2 and we'll do the mouse pads. But anyway, I'll show you what we get once I've done these three. And in case you're wondering, it'll be a while before I get to do these in AP, because as I said, my container's already full of boards with AP in it, and that has probably another month to go. So once and that's another video I've already started, once I get all the gold off those boards and sort them out, then I'll be able to put these in, and then wait another month or two. So this video here of what's in there now will come out before these. Okay guys, none of those were any good. I was really disappointed. I honestly thought some of those would be gold plated, but turned out to be just all copper underneath. So this video is a bit of a flop. Sorry about that, that's how it goes sometimes. But stay tuned for all these mouse pads. Now I know 90% of these, if not all of these, are going to be fully gold plated. And once I've got all the mask off, there's going to be another video that you're going to like. Something that people have been asking me for over and over and over. I won't give it away just yet, but this will be part 2. So we'll call it now, part 1. Thanks for watching. Sorry there's nothing good to show you. Stay tuned for part 2. Bye.